Hello everyone and welcome to the next mini tutorial here on Ducttapestuff. In this mini tutorial I'm going to be showing you how to use packaging tape to put over your designs to keep them from peeling up, as well as to protect them and keep them lasting a lot longer than just having them just sit out there in the open. So that's what we're going to be doing in this tutorial, putting packaging tape on duct tape designs. Alright, so for this tutorial I'm going to be using HD Clear, which is packaging tape that's specifically made by Duck brand, as you can see here. You can use pretty much any packaging tape, but as you can tell, with packaging tape it is completely clear, or in most cases it usually is, and it's going to pick up everything and anything. So unlike duct tape where you get a piece of dust or something like that it'll pick up, you can probably just fold it over because it'll be sealed up inside the two pieces of duct tape. With packaging tape you get a piece of dust or a piece of food or whatever underneath, or a piece of hair or something like that, it's going to show up on your actual design, especially if you have like a bright background. So you definitely want to make sure that your surface is clean that you're working on, just to make sure that it doesn't pick up anything when you try to stick it onto the actual design. So keep that in mind when you start using packaging tape to put on your designs on your wallets. Alright, so what you can do is you're just going to rip a piece off of the packaging tape off, and as you can see there is a piece right here. You can barely see it because it's completely clear, but you can tell it does end up a little bit. It starts over here and then it also ends up way over here. So what I do when I'm using packaging tape, I usually cut off a segment that's much longer than the actual piece I'm doing, and there's a reason for this, because when you peel up this piece and you use your fingers to stick it on, the adhesive is going to pick up all the oil on your fingerprints, and it's going to look really bad on the edges. So you want to make sure that you have a decent amount of room for your fingers to hold on each side, so that when you stick it down you don't get all that crazy fingerprint and stuff like that on it. So I just used my X-Acto knife to cut the piece off here. I'm just going to very carefully peel it up. You can see the clear piece of tape there. I'm going to line my wallet right here in front of me, and you want to make sure that the surface of your wallet is fairly flat. That'll allow it to be stuck on easily. I'm going to line up the top here with the top of the strip here, and I'm just going to very carefully just lay it right down on there. And then very carefully just roll it out, and that'll prevent any air bubbles from being formed. And then you can just slowly throw it right on, and it's going to give it like a glossy coat because of the packaging tape is fairly glossy. So you're just going to stick that right on there, and as you can see there were no air bubbles here. No air bubbles at all. You can see the gloss there. And then what you're going to do here is you're going to take a pair of scissors, and you're just going to trim off the rest of it here. It's going to cut right through it, just like butter, because it's just packaging tape. Take that piece off, and then cut this piece off right here. Just like that. I think my scissors might be a little dull, so I'm working with too much duct tape. And you're just going to fold that little piece right around and seal up that edge. So there you go. So you're going to do the exact same thing on the bottom here, and you're going to stick it together, and then there you have your glossy image there, and that'll protect your design from being out in the elements. Like, it'll make it waterproof because the water will just roll right off it, and it'll keep it from peeling up and everything. So that's how to put packaging tape on your duct tape designs and to protect them. And I hope you enjoyed this mini tutorial, and take care. Subscribe if you want to, and there will be lots more videos coming. So take care. I'll see you next time.